Hi everyone, my name is Muskan Singh. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little different video as I make content on fashion, beauty, motivation, and a little bit of spicy and drama. So today's video is going to be all about 5 types of people or friends that you need to stay away from as soon as you can before it ruins your life. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first type of friend that you need to stay away from is somebody who never takes no for an answer. आपने वो लोग देखे हैं जो हमेशा बस ये चाहते हैं कि उनका काम हो जाए और they only want कि उनका काम होना चाहिए और बाकी सब भाड़ में जाए. Have you seen these kind of people who never take no for an answer? आप बताते हो उन्हें that you don't have time or you have too much to do on your plate but they never listen to you. Yes, these are the kind of people that you need to stay away from because they are going to drain your energy like anything. I had a friend who never took no for an answer. Can you believe I used to write English answers for her and बदले में वो मुझे ये बोलती थी that it is your work bro, you are my friend, इतना नहीं कर सकती तू मेरे लिए. Of course I can do a lot of things for you but then what am I getting in return? Nothing. And see, I'm not trying to be, मैं friendship कोई बाटा collaboration नहीं होता है. But of course, when you do something for somebody, of course you expect कि सामने वाला भी आपको at least थोड़ी respect तो देगा और ये तो नहीं बोलेगा कि तुम्हारा काम है. Okay guys, so the second type of people or friend you need to stay away from is somebody who makes fun of you or gives you backhanded compliment. Like, it's high time guys, it's 2025 and you don't even need to call them your friend and just kick them out of your life as soon as you can. So, ऐसे लोग जो आपको कहते हैं that you are too good. I never thought that you're going to be too good, but you're too good. And this is what they say to you. Stay away from them because deep down, they are jealous of you because they know that you have something in you and they don't have. The only reason why people get jealous is because you or somebody else has something that they don't have. And that is the only reason why they give you backhanded compliment. Like, okay, you are too fat to look good in that dress. Or maybe you are too good. I never thought that you'll be too good. So guys, stay away from people like these because they're not going to do anything good for you. And it's high time. Kick them out of your life. Guys, the third type of friend that you need to stay away from is somebody who questions your choices and judges the way you live. So this was back in 2017 or 18. Yeah, I had a person who said कि अगर तुम English गाने नहीं सुनती हो तो तुम पूरा दिन घर में करती क्या हो? Like, are you seriously kidding me? क्या English गाने सुनने के अलावा there is nothing else that I can do to make my day productive? Like, she used to really judge me and tell me कि भाई, you don't listen to English songs? How funny and how embarrassing this is. And I was like, oh my god, really? Are you judging me on the basis of this? And second example that I have, this is of my college, that I had a friend, she was asking me why I always keep my phone on silent and why I don't pick up calls. And why my keyboard is a little fancy. Like, bro, isn't it my choice? It is my choice. Why does it bother you? Stay away from them because they will make... Guys, the fourth type of friend that you need to stay away from is somebody who forgets you when they meet other friends. Trust me, I've had certain types of friends जिनको अपने दूसरे दोस्त मिल गए तो उन्होंने मुझे they forget about me. And I faced it several times, it is so disheartening that these people can leave you at the drop of a hat, like they can just forget about you and जैसे कि you didn't even exist. So for example, I will tell you an instance. So it was Raftaar's concert in my college and I was with a friend and she was there with me the whole time in the concert and उसके बाद जैसे ही उसको अपना दूसरा दोस्त मिला, she forgot about me and I was like, oh my god, पूरे concert में she was with me, she was spending time with me, she was we both were taking care of each other and जैसे ही उसने उसको दूसरा friend देखा and she vanished. And उससे पहले ये decide हुआ था that we'll be eating lunch dinner together, but then she left. Stay away from them, please. And guys, the fifth and the last type of friend that you need to stay away from is somebody who debunks your opinion and thinks कि whatever opinion and whatever choices they make are the most valid ones. And trust me, these are the people who will always make you feel stupid whenever you try to give your opinion on something. As much as I've heard that opposites attract, yes, that is very good. But अगर सामने वाला अगर आपको ये बोल रहा है कि oh my god, you're too dumb to think like that, you're too dumb to think like that, this is not how it works. Please get them out of your life because everybody has different opinions and nobody is wrong, to be honest. Everybody sees it through their eyes and जो भी वो लोग देखते हैं, not necessarily it is wrong. वो उनका अपना नजरिया है, ठीक है. And I don't know why these people go and make fun of you कि भाई तुम इतनी डम क्यों हो, तुम ये क्यों सोचती हो. Please guys, stay away from them because like मतलब क्या फायदा है ऐसे लोगों के साथ रह के जो आपको हमेशा ऐसे बोलेंगे कि यार तुम ये सोचती हो, दिस इज सो डम, लाइक ऐसा नहीं होता है. Stay away from them guys and just enjoy your life. Guys, friendship is supposed to be the most beautiful thing a person can experience in this lifetime because not everybody gets to hang out with people who are good for them. And you know, when you find these kind of people who are constantly making you feel less about yourself, trust me, you'll never want to be, be living with these people, and you'll never ever be able to be happy with these kind of people. And as much as you convince yourself that it's okay to be with these kind of people, at the end, you'll question your own worth because they will make you question it. I am saying this because I am somebody who has no friends. And when I say this, that I don't have any friends, I really mean it. It's been 7 to 8 years now that I am friends free. I don't have any friends. मैं किसी के साथ hang out नहीं करती, मैं किसी के साथ बाहर नहीं घूमने जाती. The only friend that I have right now is my family, especially my mother. Wherever I go with her. And a lot of you all really need to stay away from people if you are in touch with people like these. And guys, sometimes you don't even need anybody to, be in your life to make you feel good about yourself. Sometimes you need to be so comfortable in your own solitude that you don't need anybody. Okay, so I was somebody who used to feel so bad when I used to sit alone and eat food. Like मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि it is a curse to sit alone क्योंकि I see a lot of people have friends, they are spending time with each other and they are doing so much. हमेशा मुझे ऐसा feel होता था that there is something that is wrong with me, but trust me, it was nothing. It is your own fear that is, that other people are putting into your mind. Because just imagine, nobody is born with insecurities or fear. It is the other people around them जो उनको बताते हैं that this is something that you need to be scared of. And I'm telling you that, like, I used to feel so bad, but now I feel so good in my solitude because I learned to love myself. And guys, please love yourself so that you don't need it from others. And guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Do let me know in the comments what is your opinion on some types of friends that we all need to stay away from. And I wish you all the luck. These are certain tips that I learned over these years that I wanted to share with you. Do let me know your opinion in the comments, and please stay away from people like these. They're going to drain you. I am so happy that you're here. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best and may you get everything that you want in life. Bye-bye.